Good afternoon, it's Mark Lennox here, Alpha Broking. It's Wednesday the 23rd of February 2011. We're just on 5 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time. Just going to run through the Aussie, the pound and the euro again for tonight. But just as always, risk warning and general advice disclaimer. Alpha only provides general advice. We don't do any personal financial advice whatsoever. If you are seeking personal financial advice, I'd suggest you go and find someone who offers that. Risk warning, FX can work for you and against you. You can sustain losses larger than what you initially deposit, so just be aware of the risks when you're trading margin FX. Let's go and look at the charts on the euro. Obviously, we've broken out of this downtrending channel, which we were stuck in for a month and a half. As I noted on Monday night when we did the other video, we were looking for a movement back towards that 136 level. It actually got all the way down towards 135.43 and then bounced straight off it and closed well back inside the range and well back inside the breakout. So that's a pretty bullish development on the daily chart. Same thing for the 30-minute, came down and tested the 618 of the prior range. And also tested the break. So this chart now is looking increasingly bullish. If we can get back above 137, say 20 tonight or 26, and find support, that we're probably pushing off and looking towards 137.75, if not 138. Aussie dollar obviously struggling a little bit with what's been happening in the commodity market. You know, what's been happening in oil is probably not favouring the Aussie at the moment either. So, and obviously the risk off in equities. So look, if we continue to push lower on the Aussie, we really need to see a clear break of this 99.50 level. But as it stands right now, we're just having a retracement back inside the range. So this is still probably bearish in the immediate term, but I mean, it's probably a bit too hard with that uptrending line coming into play there as well. So we'd probably sit on the sidelines on the Aussie unless you see a break below 99.85. 30-minute not showing a whole lot. Again, we're watching that isolation up there at that 101.50, I think it was, on Monday, and saying that it could break down from there, and that's exactly what's happened. So a bit tough to call the Aussie. I prefer the euro on the long side for now. Pound, just testing the break really. This is still in an uptrend, but that's an inside bar, so could go either way. 30-minute maybe showing a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. So we're hitting that 618, and that's where it found support. So that's still bullish on the pound. So if we can get back above 162, we'd look for 162.70. Otherwise, we'd sit on the sidelines for the pound.